Out here, back in nature. Beautiful flowers roaming around out here in nature. Pretty windy, but not too bad. Feels great out here. Woo! Oof. Nothing stinks. That's not me. Let's go look at this freaking hole in the ground, see if it's still there. Trying not to step in it. Oh, there it is. Oh, it looks fresh too. Yeah. Oh man, I see a big turtle. Hopefully you guys can see that. Try and creep up. Oh, there he went. He's gone. Beautiful out here. Beaver's house right over there. The beauty of the sunset tells us something each day, that another day has ended today. The beauty of sunrise tells us this day is here to stay. The wind blowing on my face tells us life is a running race. So get inspired by nature each day to make your way. Wraps up number 3 on the nature vlog. Out here, the wilderness. Hey, look at that thing over there making all that crap in the water. What is that? Let's go check it out.